Yes. Are you listening me? All of you?
Yes, sir.
I'm asking you, how was your preparation? Are you prepared chapter 1 and chapter 2?
Yes, sir. I prepared it.
Yes, sir.
I also prepared chapter number 3 in these holidays.
Very nice. Alhamdulillah. You are.
And so I sent you my notes on WhatsApp. Did you check them?
Yes. I saw it. Alhamdulillah. That you are using your time very wisely. MashaAllah. Okay. So, anyone having any type of confusion, or should I ask questions to you so that I can know how many students can able to answer me? Only 7 students are there. Where are the remaining? Fatma Zafar, Huzaifa Khan, Nabiha Nadeem, Sheikh Faiyan, Sumayya Aziz, Zaira Fatima. Where are the remaining students? Azra Shafi right now is joined. Yes. Should I ask you questions?
Sure, sir. You can start asking questions
Okay.
because I don't have any query.
Before I am starting the class, I am giving you some instructions. Okay. First of all, no one. Listen some instructions before I start the class. No one will open the camera. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Another one is no one will talk or write anything in Urdu or in any language other than English. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Mute yourself. I'll ask the question to a particular student. He or she will only answer. Okay. If I'm finding anyone who is not following the instructions, then I will inform to the office. Okay. So I am asking you some questions. If anyone having some problem in exercises, you can text. Okay. I'm just now I'm give some instructions. Ayan Khan, please mute. Okay, the first question is Rayan, what happened, beta? Please mute yourself. Okay, let me share the screen. And first question I'm going to ask you is curdling of milk is a desirable and as well as undesirable. Okay, then explain it. Why it is desirable and how it is undesirable. Yes, I'm audible to you.
So please repeat your question again.
I'm writing it. You are seeing it or not?
So can I try giving the answer?
So can I try giving the answer?
For a second.
No,
Okay.
so can I tell the answer?
Okay. First minute.
Sir, on
Okay.
which page you are?
Beta is your
Sir,
from
which
the
page you are?
exercise. From the exercise. Okay. Okay. I am writing the names. First of all, Sumayya Aziz. Are you there, Sumayya?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Sumayya Aziz. You answer. I am
Yes,
writing.
sir.
Yes, Beta, tell me the answer of this question. Curdling of milk.
Sir, on which page you are?
Beta, this is from the exercise. This chapter is completed. You didn't read this chapter carefully, or you didn't do the exercises. You've done the
Sir,
exercise,
I've done exercise.
but still you are
Yes,
not.
sir, I've done.
Okay, if you've done the exercises, then tell me. This is question number 1 of K section. Okay, Now you can able to answer, and if you could done the exercises, still you are not doing, not telling the answer. Yes, Sumaya, just tell me fast so that I can ask you another
Curdling
one.
of curdling of milk is an undesirable change and desirable change, because if we want to curd the milk, then it is desirable, and if we don't want to make something from the milk but it's already curded, then it is not desirable. So it's undesirable and desirable.
This is the way.
Sir,
You
can I tell the answer?
better wait for a second. Okay, is this the way? Desirable means if we want curd, then it is desirable. If you don't want curd, then it's undesirable. Give me some
Sir, can
example
I
also.
answer?
Better wait for a second. Okay. Uh, I think you should give some examples so that I know in this way it is desirable thing, and in this way it is undesirable thing. Yes, you are not give me proper answer. Who is the next one?
So can I try giving the answer?
Yes,
Sir,
please.
can I try?
Okay, let me write down. Who is going to answer? Yes, Nabiha.
Sir, I'm Munazza.
All right, sir. So,
Okay, yes,
the question
tell
is
me.
curdling of milk.
Yeah,
Can
Munazza,
you
you tell
please
me.
request everybody to mute their mic?
You are not following the instructions. You are not following the instructions. You are not following the instructions. Yes, tell me, Munazza.
All right, sir.
Okay, sir.
So,
So
you're asking
curdling of
Munazza
milk
or
is a
Nabil?
desirable as well as undesirable change. So, sir, for example, if we want to make curd,
Okay.
if we want to make curd, then curdling of milk is a desirable change for us.
Okay.
But if, like, for example, a milk which is meant for drinking, for example, I want to drink a milk, but I've kept it for so long on my table, but it starts curdling itself. So it's an undesirable change because that milk was meant for drinking, which is now curdling. So
Very
it
good.
is an undesirable change as well as a desirable change based on some conditions.
Very good. But,
Sir,
so
can I try?
in this way, you should have to answer this. Okay. If you are answering a desirable and desirable, you should tell the condition. It at what condition, in which condition it is useful, and in what condition it is unuseful. Okay. Very good, mashallah.
Sir, can I say something?
Please.
So Munazza said that if the milk is meant for drinking and she kept that on a table or something and it starts to curd, curdling starts. So this is not possible, no, because curdling requires some certain criteria and some
It
certain
had
process.
happened to me, sir. I don't know
It
if you
cannot
believe
curd
it or
itself.
not.
Listen,
It
listen.
had happened.
Listen to me. Okay. Actually, she's saying that in this way it is undesirable. Okay. In this way, it is undesirable that if we want to have milk and it start curdling, so the property of milk gets changed. Okay, milk will turn into curd. So it is undesirable. For example, if you want to make tea, and the milk started curdling, you are unable to make tea because
So,
the
for
milk
example,
still you are. Yes. Okay.
so for example, if like we take a spoon which was in curd before, and now when we stir that particular spoon which was in curd into the milk, so the lactobacillus will transfer, and after after 1 hour it will start curdling. So it is also a change. We were unaware about that spoon, but we didn't want it to make it into curd. So still it's an undesirable change.
Nabia, is it clear better to you, Nabia?
Yes, sir. If it comes in this in certain condition that the spoon is stayed inside the mixture, then it will be a curd. Then that's fine. But she said that it will start turning into curd by itself. Then
No,
I was
it will
objecting
not.
on that.
It will not turn automatically. Okay, some
Yeah,
conditions.
that's what I'm saying.
It will not turn automatically. I just wanted to give a condition, so I gave a random and rough condition, and
Okay,
that's it.
that's very nice.
It's
Alhamdulillah.
okay.
Okay.
It's
Okay,
okay.
I'm give you another question to you. Okay, who will answer it? Who will give you? Abdul Awal, are you there? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, let me write the name. Okay. So tell me some characteristics of physical changes.
Sir, the characteristics of physical change is it can be
Sir, can I try?
No. Yes, Abdullah. Yes, are you giving me answer or
sir, can I change? Sir, can I
yes, Abdul? You are answering me or not? Al-Qamar Mashood. You will. Yeah, answer.
Sir, Mohammed Umar Khan,
So can I?
Only I said Al-Qamar is there. You will answer it or not? Al-Qamar beta, are you there? Rayyan Khan. Yes.
Voice is not coming correctly. It's breaking.
Okay. Rayyan Khan, are you there? Al-Qamar didn't answer me. Okay. Huzaifa Khan, you there? Huzaifa?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes, tell me the questions I posted right now on the screen.
Sir, characteristics are that in physical change, the physical properties are changed, but their chemical properties are not changed.
Physical properties are changed and
Chemical properties are not changed.
okay, yes, who is this?
Chemistry.
Who is this? Unless I take the action, you will not able to. You are not doing properly. I have to take some action. I have to inform. Yes. Give me
Sir,
another characteristics.
sir, in physical chain, there can be reversible and irreversible both.
Okay.
And there is no gain or loss of mass during this change, any
Okay.
change.
Okay.
And no new product is formed.
And
Answer, there is no gain or loss in reversible change.
what about the energies? Is there any change in the energies? Is there is gain or loss of any energy in the physical change?
Sir, no.
Just slow down your speakers voice. Okay, very good. So, Ayan, are you there, beta? Ayan?
Yes, sir.
So, give me the example. Give me the characteristics of chemical change then. Give me some characteristics of
So-
chemical changes.
Characteristics of chemical changes. Okay, sir.
Yes, hurry up fast.
Yes, yes.
Yes, Ayan.
Sir, your voice is not coming clearly.
Yes, Ayan, tell me the answer. Yes, Fatima Zafar.
So what?
Fatima,
So
you
your
are not,
voice is very.
Fatima Zafar, are you there?
Yes, hello.
Please tell me the characteristics of give me some characteristics of chemical changes.
Okay, so in chemical changes, there is a change in both the physical appearance and in the chemical composition of the substance.
And
For example, if we cook food, then we cannot get back the raw vegetables from which we cook. For example, if we cook raw vegetables, then we'll not get back the vegetables in the same form as we cook them. We'll get back the cooked vegetables.
and what happened?
And
Yes, tell me. Yes, tell me, beta. Another characteristics.
they cannot.
Beta, you done the exercises. How can you done the exercises? You are not able to answer it.
Sir, can I tell?
Sir, can I tell?
Yes,
Sir,
tell me.
I'm telling you, please wait. For a
Okay,
minute.
okay.
Sir, please,
Wait,
I can tell, sir.
wait,
Mohammed Umar
I'm
Khan.
telling you, I'm telling.
wait for a second. Okay. Wait for a
Sir,
second.
in the chemical changes, one of the property is that we cannot change the they are these changes, the chemical changes cannot be changed from by physical methods, because there is change in the chemical composition, so it's not possible and it's very difficult to change them, to reverse them by physical methods.
Okay. What about the is any law conserved during the chemical change?
No, sir, there is no law of conservation. There is no law conserved.
Are you sure? Are you
There is
sure?
no gain or loss of mass during this change.
Law of conservation is conserved.
Sir, your
holds.
voice is not coming.
Law of conservation of mass holds now, because no gain, there is no gain of mass, no loss of mass. Is it clear? It is one of the characteristic in chemical change that there is no gain or no loss of mass during the reactions. Okay, that's why law of conservation of mass holds. Is it clear?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
now I can tell.
Okay. Azra Shafi, are you there, beta? Azra Shafi? Azra Shafi?
Sir, I, Mohammed Umar Khan,
Yes,
can.
sir.
I'm asking to Azra Shafi, beta.
Yes, sir.
Beta, what are the two conditions necessary for rusting? Yes, Azra Shafi, beta, tell me. What are the two conditions necessary for rusting? Yes, Dua Khan.
The two conditions necessary for rusting are
Yes. Yes.
the presence of air and water.
Moisture and air. Okay, or you can say. Is it clear? Oxygen, air,
Yes,
oxygen. These are the two necessary conditions. Oxygen, air. Or you say oxygen, air, or water or moisture. Okay, these are the necessary conditions for rusting. Okay, Alhamdulillah, your preparation is good. Alhamdulillah. I will going to ask another
Sir,
question.
I have a question.
Yes,
Can I
please,
ask?
please tell. Please ask me.
Sir, two example of reversible chemical change.
Two examples of reversible chemical change. Okay. See the formation of calcium carbonate. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And another one is ammonia gas. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. These are the two examples. Very good question, mashallah. Okay. So another question is so this chapter is clear to you, everyone?
Sir, can I ask you a question?
Really, very nicely clear, because we have studied this in our previous class also.
This is, I think, this is
Sir,
in
the app
7th class.
also you post.
Yes, sir. We have been studying this. Shazia ma'am taught us this chapter.
Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah.
Sir, can I ask
Yes,
you one
sir.
question?
Yes, please.
Sir,
Beta, you please follow the instructions and don't interrupt in between. Mute yourself when I'm asking you to tell, then only you will speak. Okay, beta, please maintain the decorum. Yes, please ask,
I can ask one question.
please.
Sir, limestone decomposition is an example of reversible as well as irreversible chemical change. Explain.
Okay. Limestone formation is a reversible and irreversible. Beta,
Sir, can I answer?
in this, there is a condition of open system and closed system. Okay.
Sir, please speak little bit louder.
Okay. So, beta, when limestone is heated, okay, in a closed condition, or we can say in a closed vessel, it decomposes into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Okay. And when this closed vessel is not there, okay, when this experiment is taken in open vessel or open condition, then it is a irreversible change. Okay, beta.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, I have a query. Can I ask?
Yes, beta, you can ask. Shafia Iqbal.
In the long answer question, question number 1, curdling of milk is a desirable as well as undesirable change. Explain.
Beta, you Shafia Iqbal, huh?
Yes, sir.
Beta,
Can I ask?
Sir, can I tell?
एक minute.
Sir, can I answer her?
Take 1 second, please. Listen, Shafia, from the starting of the class today, this is the first question I asked the class. You didn't join the class at that time? Huh?
Yes, sir. It was not joining.
Okay, so that's why I'm telling. That's why I'm asking, because this question is discussed already. Okay.
Yes.
Curdling of milk is a desirable as well as undesirable, because once milk is changed into curd, okay, if we want curd, then milk is changed into curd. This I want because we want curd, so it is a desirable. Suppose that we want to drink milk, and when we get the milk, we saw that I saw that this milk is changed into curd, so this is undesirable. Okay, so in this way, curdling is both desirable also, and as well as it is undesirable also.
Undesirable.
Okay, so yes, anyone want to ask, or I'll go to ask some questions.
Sir, you can ask questions because I don't have any query. I don't know about others.
Yes, so you can ask questions.
So
Yes, sir. You can ask questions.
Your first chapter is also clear to you, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tell me immediately. First, me write the name who is going to answer. Ayan, are you there, beta? Ayan,
Yes, sir.
Ayan, please tell me fast. Example of sublime solids. Quick, very quick. Without seeing the pages. Okay. Sublime solids. Quick, hurry up.
Sublime solid का example एक second बात हुई है.
Who is speaking in Urdu?
The naphthalene. Naphthalene.
Naphthalene and
And
beta, you took 1.5 minutes to answer.
dry ice, sir. Dry ice.
Okay, you took 1.5 minutes to answer there. You should remember the names of the substances which are sublime solids. Okay. Abdul Anwar didn't answer me anything today. Al Qamar didn't answer me. Azra Shafi didn't answer me any question. Okay, please read the chapter carefully, because I am writing the names also who is giving me answer and who is not giving me the answer.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, can I ask? I have
Sir, you are
query
not asking to
in
me.
give reason. Question number 5.
Question number 5
Sir, you
of which chapter?
Give reason. Chapter number 2.
Okay. Question number 5. Just read on page.
Give page number 36. Give reason for the following.
The reason boiling of water is a physical
Sir,
change.
can I
but
tell?
Can I answer?
You didn't do the assignment. Yes. Boiling water is a physical change, but boiling of egg is a chemical change.
Sir,
Sir,
can
you
I
are
tell?
not asking to me.
Sir, can I
answer?
tell?
Can I tell?
Listen to me. This is very easy question. If you are not telling the
Sir,
basic
sir,
difference between
repeat.
physical and chemical change, and still you are not submitted the assignment.
Sir, can I answer?
Boiling of water is just a physical
Sir, you are
change.
not asking to me.
Okay, you tell me. Just tell me, beta, the answer of this question.
Boiling of water is a physical change,
Why?
but boiling
Why?
of
Why?
egg is a
Why boiling of water is a physical change?
because
Because
sir,
what?
because boiled water is again converted into normal water, but
Exactly.
boiling of egg is a chemical change because once egg is boiled, it's never come into its original form.
So you didn't know the answer, huh? Who is this? Who has asked me such
Sir,
question? Yes. Is it clear
sir,
to
I
you?
think that
Is it clear to you? Yes. Moiba means
Sir?
tell me.
sir, I think that this should not be the answer, as this denotes reversibility, and some chemical changes are also reversible.
No, this is a chemical chain boiling of water, boiling of egg. Okay.
Sir, I'm saying that the reason that he gave for
Reversibility, I know.
for the
I know.
this he
I know he is used irreversible way. Okay, this is not required. Yes, you tell me. Yes, tell me.
Sir, I think that its answer should be that because in boiling the chemical composition of the water remains the same, but in the boiling of egg, a new substance is formed. Its chemical composition changes.
Exactly. Okay. The composition of egg, okay, changed. Okay. So it's a chemical change, and in boiling it can be turned to its normal temperature. So it is a physical change. So always remember, you should know physical changes and chemical changes. Definition is use the definition. If you want to decide whether it is a chemical change or whether it is a physical change, use the definition. Okay, keep the definition in your mind, and on that basis you can tell whether it is a physical change and chemical change. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Tell me why rotation of Earth is a periodic change. Yes.
Can I tell?
Sir, may I tell?
Momina Zaheen.
What is your question?
My question is, why rotation of Earth is a periodic change?
Sir, can I answer?
Momina,
Sir,
Sir,
may I
I
answer?
tell, please.
Yes, sir.
why rotation of Earth is a periodic change?
Sir, I answer.
Sir, rotation of are repeated time. Sir, can I tell?
Yes, you tell. Momina will not answering.
Sir, I please. Sir, you have not asked me.
Sir, I tell. I answered.
Yes, you answer. Please answer.
Ma'am, sir, the motion of the earth rotation on the axis of once in 24 hours is a kind of periodic motion.
Okay, means time interval is fixed. Okay, the rotation of Earth. That is why it is a periodic change. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what Here's a question. Listen it. I am writing the question. A glass of water weigh
Yes, sir.
a glass of water weighs 70 grams, and on adding ice,
Sir, your voice is very much slow. It is
Okay.
not coming.
okay. I am writing a question. Wait. A glass of water weighs 70 grams. Okay. And on adding ice to it, its weight becomes 280 grams. How much ice is added to the glass? Is I am audible to you, all of you?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay. Jazakallah.
Barakallah.
Yes, tell me the answer. A glass of water weighs 70 grams, and adding ice to it, it weighs 280 grams. How much ice is added to the glass?
Sir, 210 grams.
How it come?
So the weight of glass is 70 gram and the total weight after adding ice is 280 grams. So we will assume the weight of ice be, let it be x. Then the weight of ice plus weight of glass, it will be equal to 280 grams.
Okay.
And when 70 goes to the other side of the equation, it will be subtracted from 280 grams. That will give 210 grams.
Okay, mashallah.
So the weight of ice will be 210 grams.
Okay, mashallah. So also prepare such type of questions, numericals part also. This is question from the first chapter. Okay. Is it clear? Okay. And what do you mean by liquefaction? Yes. What do you mean by liquefaction?
So can I tell?
Yes, please.
So liquefaction means when the gas is compressed and kept under very high pressure, it changes from gas to liquid. This process is known as liquefaction.
Okay. So in your day-to-day life, you see where liquefaction is used?
Sir, in LPG gases.
Exactly, LPG gases. Very good, mashallah. So another question, alhamdulillah, your preparation is good. Your class prepared, having a good preparation. Okay, alhamdulillah.
Sir,
And
can I tell what is liquefaction?
okay, you tell me.
Liquefaction is the
Beta,
process by which
Beta, please do not answer exactly the words from the book. Try to give the answer in your own words, please.
sir which generates the liquid from solid or gas, or sir a non-liquid pass which behaves in accordance with liquid dynamics.
Dynamics. So what are is it liquefaction? Yes. Any other one?
Yes.
Sir,
Yes, Al Kamar, you didn't answer me. Were you going to answer this question? Abdul Anwar, you also didn't answer me. Would you like to give me the answer of this question, liquefaction? Ammar
Sir,
Zahid,
can I?
wait, beta. Ammar Zahid,
Sir, liquefaction.
please tell me, what is liquefaction? You are not answering, beta. Time is.
Sir, I answer.
Yes, tell me.
A gas can be compressed into liquid and liquid into solid by applying sufficient pressure.
A liquid can be compressed to solid. Huh? Is this liquefaction? Are you not reading the book carefully? See page 18. Read it, then tell me. Still, yes. Yes, Muhammad Umar Khan.
Can I tell the answer of liquefaction?
Beta, when pressure is applied, a lot of pressure is applied to liquid, it changes into a gas. When pressure is applied to gas, it changes into liquid form. This is called liquefaction. Okay. When pressure is applied to gases, a lot of pressure is applied to gases, it compresses and
Sir,
changes into liquid. Huh?
Liquefaction is a process that generates a liquid from a solid or gas
Yes.
that
So-
generates a non-liquid.
But a condition should be there, okay? Condition is
Yes.
there should be an sufficient pressure, okay? And is it clear?
Sir, your voice is breaking. Can you speak again?
For
What is the
liquefaction,
action?
beta, for liquefaction, there should
Yes,
be a
sir.
sufficient pressure. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just tell me
Sir,
very
can
quick.
we say